Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your Facebook account from your Android device. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get down to our topic. First, of course, you will need to open Facebook. Now I'm going to show you how to do that from the very beginning. When you have Facebook open, you will need to navigate to the menu from the home page. To do this, either at the top or at the bottom, you click on the menu. Next, you click on the gear. Next, you go to the Meta Account Center. This is where you select Personal Account. Next, Account Ownership and Control. And then Deactivate or Delete. Then you select your Facebook account that you want to delete. After that, you choose whether you want to deactivate or delete them. You click Next. Next. In the next step, you will need to choose the reason why you have decided to delete your Facebook account. Actually, friends, it doesn't really matter that much. You can choose any reason you want. For example, choose that Facebook is taking up too much of my time. Next. Next. At this point, you will be prompted to do some actions with your page. For example, you will once again be prompted to deactivate your page rather than delete it. You may also be prompted to save your data from Facebook. And also to save your posts, like copying your information and so on. And you might consider if you want to do any of the above suggested things. If you don't need all of that, squeeze Next. At this point, you'll need to enter your active Facebook password. And after the password, you will be taken to the very last page, the final stage of account deletion, where you're warned that your account won't be deleted immediately. It will be deactivated for 30 days first. During these 30 days, you may think in case you want your Facebook account back, then you can get it back very easily. For that, you will just need to enter your username and password, and this way you will recover your Facebook account. And if you don't change your mind, then 30 days after deactivation, your account will be automatically deleted. And if you are completely satisfied with the terms and conditions, then you can just click Delete Account. After that, you will be logged out of your Facebook account. It will be deactivated. This is how you can delete your account on your Android device.